Hello everyone. So today we're making Ema Datshi. This is like one of the national dish of Bhutan. I have seen Deepika Padukone talk about it on Reels so much. So I'm going to make it. So first, take a pan, take some water, add some oil, and add onion. I'm adding garlic, I'm adding tomatoes, and I'm adding one of the main ingredient which is chili. I'm adding mildly spicy chili and few spicy chili because I don't have like jalapenos and everything, and I don't mind spice. Add whatever amount of salt you want and red chili powder, which is also spicy. I love spicy food, so don't mind me. So this is not the only way to make emadachi, by the way. There's like many ways. I have referred to a few videos, I have referred to a few blogs, and my cats are in my background. I don't know if you can hear them. So close the lid and you know put it on heat for a few minutes, and once the chilies are softened like this, you can add the butter and the cheese, which is the another main ingredient of this dish. So add butter, add cheese, make sure it's in the right time, right amount, because otherwise it will turn to curd, and not like because of the natural process that goes behind it. So add all this, close the lid again and put it on heat for a few more minutes, and then stir it really well. It will come into the soup form. I also have to tell you this, I don't cook often, I cook very rarely. I love cooking, I love trying new things, and that's why I'm trying this. But I'm not like MasterChef 101, but you have to take my word for it. This is really good. And you can you know try new recipes of the same dish, because there are many ways to do it, as I said. And yeah, this is one of the recipes, so don't be mad at me if this is not the way you do it or you tried it. And yeah, I don't know how many times I have said yeah. I ate it with hot rice, by the way, and it was really good. I loved it. I have to thank Deepika Padukone first, and I have to thank the people of Bhutan.